Hello. Here we have a table with one empty cell. In that empty cell, we want to insert the sum function to add the values from the cells above. One left click in a cell opens Table Tools. Here we click on the Layout tab, and then on the formula. A small window opens in which the summation of the values in the cells above is set by default. We click OK and get the sum of the values from the above cells. We'll format the sum a bit to make it stand out. If we need to change the value in some cell and update the sum, we right-click on the sum and select Update field. If we want to sum the values from the cells below, then in the sum function, we change the value above to below. We can also format the number to, for example, add decimals or percentage to it, and we can insert some other function into the formula. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and like this video.